in love in her means, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. Yes, she was the Princess of Queens. She was the Princess of Queens, fell in love in her teens, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. She was the Princess of Queens, back from his Alaskan parade, to a party in Nyack he strayed, where he spied this young maiden at a friend's house she'd stayed in, and knew his own match had been made. Yes, he knew his own match had been made. Have you got it yet? For she was the Princess of Queens, fell in love in her teens, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. She was the Princess of Queens, a man of just 23, at first sight a devout devotee. When he left her for Orangeburg, she took him there at his word, and long-distance riders they'd be. Oh, long-distance riders they'd be. For she was the Princess of Queens. Come on, everybody. Fell in love in her teens, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. She was the Princess of Queens. At 21 she said she'd marry. She'd no interest in a William or Harry. She went off and saw the world, brought up 2 boys and a girl, and lived for each other and the 3. Yes, she lived for each other and the 3. For she was the Princess of Queens, fell in love in her teens, fell in love in her teens, a brown-eyed young brunette, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. Yes, she was the Princess of Queens. You gotta know. She was the Princess of Queens, fell in love in her teens, a brown-eyed young brunette with her hair in a bonnet, and he was the man of her dreams. She was the Princess of Queens. Yes, she was the Princess of Queens. There you go.